Capitol Street flooded out in downtown Jackson. This is just one of the images coming in.
That's right. This is the same stretch of road where construction crews are working on a major project. 16 WAPT's Jennifer Ortega joins us live from Capitol Street. Jennifer, what caused all this flooding?
Crews are still unsure what caused this, but take a look right here. The water has gone down, but earlier today it was up near the sidewalk. Thousands of gallons of water flowing down Capitol Street, leaving cars stuck and construction at a standstill.
It is. We have a 12-inch line. Looks like a valve broke off, and now we've got water protruding into the street.
Okay, and how concerning is this?
Very. You know, it's never, you never want one of your infrastructure to break like this.
City crews say the gushing water is a result of a broken pipe. Justin Allison says he had to walk through the water to get to his car. What do you think looking at this big mess out here on Capitol Street?
They need to fix it as soon as possible. I mean, all I was trying to do was just come here and have dinner, and this happened.
Police say several cars on the street now damaged.
I went across the street in the water, got into my car, drove it around the corner, and I realized that some water actually got in.
The owner of Elite Restaurant told police water from the street pushed inside of their building.
It's inconvenience. We have the street turned off, and I'm sure some people are probably still trapped in the offices. So, we're trying to respond as quickly as we can.
Now, once all that water is drained, city workers hope to start working again coming this Friday. Live on Capitol Street, Jennifer Ortega, 16 WAPT News.
All right, thanks, Jennifer. We want to give you another look at exactly where that problem is. A water line broke on Capitol Street, causing the street to flood. Now, we talked to the mayor's office. They have issued a boil water notice for the section of Capitol Street between South Lamar and Ferris Street. Check back with 16 WAPT News and WAPT.com.